Hey guys, good morning. Tim here with Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia. Welcome to the shop. Got a few projects going on in here that I want to take and share with you. So let me take you on a quick tour. There's Beverly. She's keeping us all out of trouble today and every day for that matter. So let's take a look. Well, first thing we have in the shop here is a ZL1 that we've been working on for a number of weeks now. It's an ongoing project. We have the owner has been building this since 2017, and he's added some things along the way. He's put a supercharged engine in it, real carbon fiber hood. So he's had some things already done, but what he wanted to do is finish up some things. So he wanted to add some new side skirts, some new pieces on the front, all carbon fiber. And then on some of it had paint protection film on it and some didn't. So on the diffuser on the rear, it did not. So we've added paint protection film there. We've also added paint protection film on the back fin here. Sorry about that. And so what we're gonna do too, in addition to some of the carbon fiber pieces that were already on here, it already had a full front PPF on it. So now at this stage that we've gotten, we're nearing the end of his add-ons and stuff like the mirrors and what have you, we're going to go back and finish paint protection film on the rest of the vehicle. So we still have everything other than the very front to add. So we'll put it on the sides, the back, the tops, and the full rear as well. So we'll be doing that this week. And then once we put the paint protection film on there, then we go back with ceramic coating, and we use a ceramic coating made specifically for PPF. It's HALO by Gtechniq. So that's the product we'll put on top. So the wheels will be coated in a Gtechniq product for wheels. The glass will be coated as well. So the car is going to be protected real well. Now what we have over here is a Golf R that came to us glossy. And he wanted to put matte finish PPF on it. We did not change the color. The car is blue. Kind of give you an idea. This is what it looked like before. You can see the shiny here. So you can see the shiny areas there and the color what it looked like before. And then now going back and then adding the matte finish paint protection film on it. You can see what that looks like. It's turned out great. The keys, when you look at paint protection film, how do you know beyond the product? We use OptiCle film. We love it. We've had zero complaints with it. But how do you know that what you have on there is going to last? One, it's based on product. Two, it's based on the install. So for us, the more invisible, the better. You want this invisible, especially when you're changing from a gloss finish to a matte finish. Everywhere that you don't cover is going to leave a shiny line around it, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure that everything that you have is covered adequately. Why is that important? Not only is it important visually, but it's also important as far as keeping dirt out of the edges. So if you have edges that run along here and it's not wrapped, so if you have edges that are here, there's a great chance that dirt can get hidden in there. So if you have a white vehicle, it's going to show up. You'll see a dirt line through here. So I want to make sure that it's as invisible as possible, but this car has turned out fantastic. We're also going to go back and put HALO, which is a ceramic coating made for paint protection film. We're going to put that on top of it. Prolongs the life of it, slows the yellowing and aging process down on it, and it does not alter the sheen. So we're not going to now make it shine when he's wanting matte finish. So it will enrich in it some, but it won't change the sheen per se. We got Kiefer over here doing spot removal on the top of the truck here. And then we have this 2026 Mini Cooper. This Mini Cooper has come to us with some paint protection film on it. It was done, I guess the dealership did that or had it done. And so what we're going to do is we're going to finish protecting it with ceramic coating. So we're going to do a single stage polish on all of the painted surfaces, on the black trim pieces of it that do not have paint protection film. So we'll do a single stage polish on it. And then once we're done, we will actually, the non-PPF areas will then have Crystal Serum Ultra, which is a 9-year ceramic made by Gtechniq. We'll put that on there. And then on the PPF areas, the halo that I mentioned on the Golf R, we're gonna put that on the PPF areas there. So you'll have that protection. So what you'll have is paint protection film guarding against rock chips. And then on the remaining of the vehicle, you'll have ceramic coated, a 9-year product that's gonna protect against the elements, dirt, grime, and anything that would speed up the aging process. So that's what we have going on here. We did some glass polish on this particular truck. We finished up the detail on it, and then we just finished up some glass polishing on the front windshield where bugs and grime and just road debris have taken a toll on, so we've got that squared away. If you've got a project, if you've got a vehicle that you have questions about, we'd love to answer those for you. You can submit those at divergentdetailing.com, or you can pick up the phone and give us a call at 678-310-3153. We look forward to hearing from you.